We'll start with 7 basic categories on scissor lifts. The following features are standard on most, if not all, mech scissor lifts. In the platform area, our units include a low entry height for easy material loading, a sturdy steel platform and rollout deck extension. Many competitors use aluminum or other weak materials. Our floors have a stamped-in, non-skid surface, which provides better traction than a tapered-edge diamond plate pattern and doesn't peel away like a stick-on paper. Our toe boards are one piece instead of 2 to prevent rust and corrosion. Our rollout decks feature an easy-to-use hand-released lock with incremental stops. The rollers for the rollout decks are enclosed, providing a smooth, debris-free and maintenance-free operation. Our guardrails are formed with a mandrel to prevent crimping and metal fatigue on the corners for a more sturdy guardrail. Our entry rails lift up for easy sheet loading. Our controllers are constructed of sturdy steel for extreme duty usage and feature easy-to-replace military-grade watertight switches. Unlike our competition, we do not use complicated circuit boards on our slab scissor lifts. The controller is easily adjustable for operator comfort and accessibility. It is also simple to remove for security reasons with our heavy-duty quick disconnect plug, which has an extended strain relief. The controller cord is easily replaceable and includes an easy-to-access quick disconnect terminal strip with an extreme-duty UV-protected jacketing. No other manufacturer offers all of these things in their platforms. Let's take a look at the unique mech scissor stack. The mech scissor stack is a single set of arms and provides easy access to all maintenance components. We offer the thickest beam construction and largest pin diameter of anyone in the industry. We use large high-end chrome-plated pins and line board construction for perfect bearing tolerances. Our scissor stack offers only one pivot point at each scissor stack end, providing stronger and more rigid support for our platform and scissor stack. Our competitors do not offer any of these things and include up to 4 pivot points at each scissor stack end, allowing for more play on the bearings and less rigidity over time and use. What does this mean to you? Mech has the least amount of platform deflection of any of its competitors. Our scissors have a protected coating on exposed hoses and electrical cords. Our track for the sliding scissor block is self-cleaning and debris falls easily from the chassis. Our scissor bearings are Teflon coated, no maintenance and self-lubricating. The lift cylinders are non-displacement type cylinders for faster lift cycle times and closed-loop hydraulic circuitry eliminating hydraulic oil seepage from the cylinders. This is the most unique scissor stack, unmatched in the industry, and a patented exclusive. The mech chassis offers a heavy-duty steel construction which provides a flex-free base. The component compartments are dedicated to individual components to prevent contamination from harmful battery gases or heat due to continued heavy use. The pothole protection system is a simple mechanical action which is maintenance-free and was originally developed by mech. Mech compartment doors simply lift off for easy access to components. No need to crawl inside or deal with swing-out doors to perform maintenance. The electrical system includes heavy-duty wire looms throughout the unit, unlike many other brands. All connectors that are located in outside compartments are waterproof. The connectors used inside compartments are self-draining to prevent condensation buildup and corrosion. Looms, wires, and wire ends are individually numbered to aid in service and repair. The master lockout switch satisfies the ANSI no keys requirement, eliminating service calls for lost keys. The industrial-grade solid-state battery charger automatically turns on when the machine is in need of a battery charge and shuts off when finished. The charger is self-protected when exposed to voltage spikes or overamp situations and automatically switches from 85 volt up to 298 volt as required. And leave your laptop and expensive calibrators at home. There aren't any computers or complicated circuit boards to diagnose on a mech slab scissor lift. Most models are relay-free as relays wear and corrode, resulting in service calls. All switches are water-resistant and extreme duty, capable of handling higher amperages, and there are no depression selection switches. The hydraulic system includes specially designed hydraulic swivel fittings to provide years of trouble-free service, The fittings move with the drive motors when the machine makes an impressive 90-degree turn. Many other brands use rigid fittings, resulting in hydraulic hose fatigue due to continued bending and stress at the connection. The brake system utilizes spring-applied, hydraulically released multiple disc brakes for immediate braking. An emergency brake disconnect allows the operator to release the brakes by pumping an easy-to-use hand pump. The performance of mech machines includes the fastest lift speeds, fastest lowering speeds, and fastest drive speeds, helping the end user get up to and down from their job much faster, and the best gradability in the industry. The high-torque power package allows the operator to maneuver over high-grade surfaces with just the flick of a switch. The traction control system allows the operator to maneuver in hard-to-reach areas. All mech scissor lifts have a standard tow package included. The controls are proportional for smoother transitions and movement. On electric-powered models, the lift capability cuts out when the voltage becomes too low, so to alert the operator to drive to a charging station. Components are heavy-duty compared to industry standards, including beefier limit switches, electric motors, watertight switches, and thicker metal components, including the scissor arms, platforms, and slide-out deck materials. And mech machines offer higher ground clearances for getting around the job site easier. A few other important features include a durable powder coat finish. Common components are used throughout each line of products for ease of part stocking levels and ease of maintenance for customers. Our units exceed all ANSI, CSA, and CE requirements, and are a very low-cost line to maintain. Our warranty costs are less than 0.25% of revenue, as compared to many of our competitors, whose costs exceed over 1% of their revenue. We also include non-marking tires, a static strap, a motion light, power to the platform, drive speed interlock, and no plastic covers, and many other options are also available. As you can see, our rugged and durable machines are built to handle the toughest of contractors and rental applications. Here are just a few more things you should know about mech. Our machines are simple to maintain, with no computers, no relays, and simple logic systems. Each unit goes through extensive manufacturing and assembly procedures before it moves forward on the assembly line. Each component installed is formally verified and recorded to be correct before the next component is installed. To ensure that your new mech machines perform as you expect they should, we thoroughly test every machine before they leave the mech facility. The tests include gradability, lift and lowering speeds, hydraulic oil leak detection, road course performance testing, and a rigorous pre-delivery inspection. When your mech machines arrive, they're ready to work. Components used on mech machines are at least 2 times the required specification. A good example is the wheel motor drive shafts on our 72 series scissor lifts, which are rated at 24,000 inch-pounds versus many of our competitors at 8,000 inch-pounds. Heavy-duty wire looms, heavy-duty steel construction, no computers or complicated circuit boards on most mech machines, and extreme-duty switches. And those are just a few details about our range of scissor lifts. Our boom lifts and telehandlers also outperform the competition, and that's what makes us unique. We build a better machine from the ground up. We're simply better than the rest, and we're small enough of a company to care about the products we produce, but yet big enough to have products around the world being asked for by name.